What's up with it, everybody? It's your boy RDR. Welcome back to RDR Food Reviews. And as you can see, today I'm doing a KFC mukbang. That's right. I've been wanting to do a KFC mukbang for a good grip, man. Because KFC is one of my favorite places to go get chicken at. And so today I got the Nashville Hot. As you can see right there, that's one of my favorite chickens. There's the Nashville Hot next to the Smoky Mountain Barbecue. That's right. Got me that 4-piece, some biscuits. I didn't ask for coleslaw, but they gave it to me, which you're going to get to see RDR try coleslaw for the first time. It just looked nasty, you know what I'm saying? So then I got some macaroni and cheese, all right? Mashed potatoes, and I got some complimentary cookies, I guess. And then drinking them some high quality H2O, you know what I'm saying? And my special Cowboys cup, you feel me? So before I start, let me go ahead and get a quick moment of prayer, all right? Father, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. Help this food nourish my body, make me stronger as a person, stronger as a man. And blessed as a girl hungry as I pray that you please find them something to eat. And your holy, gracious mighty name I pray. Amen. All right, man, let's dig in. Let's see if we can get a quick thumbnail in real quick. Yeah, it's over here. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Stay still, baby. Stay still. Close your mouth. Skinny. All right, man. It's time to smash. Let's get into this. So, put that coleslaw dead ass last. You know what I'm saying? Get this box out the way, because it's time to feast. You know what I mean? So, man, it's been a crazy week for your boy RDR. Starting off already. Man, your boy, for the first time, got hit by a deer, man. Now, in all my life, not to be proud of, I done ran over a couple of animals, you know what I'm saying? Goddamn, shit's hot. And most of them was accidents, like, come on, your casual skunks and stuff like that. But, of course, maybe a puppy here or there. Not proud of it, but it happened. So, pretty much what happened was, your boy was on his way to work, man. Listening to some Drake, man. God's plan. Go figure. I mean, blasting, going probably like 85 miles an hour. You know what I'm saying, on cruise control. Macaroni and cheese right there. And, out of nowhere, one deer flashed in my vision. So, when it happened, he was so fast that he had already got to the left side on the driver's side. And then, I'm like, dang, clear. Next thing you know, get blindsided. Boom, on the right. And then I looked over. All I seen from the right side mirror, a damn deer flipped over. You know what I'm saying? So I had to let go of the wheel because I was going so fast, because I had to think about not resisting so I wouldn't like fishtail and whatever. I blew out my tires and stuff, man. Just two on the right side. Shit ran me hot, man. It's when you least expect it, things just change, you know? I get out and I go look at my slab. I got a huge, I would say like a medium to, I got some mashed potatoes right there. Pretty much a medium dick for where that sucker hit stick my shit, you know what I'm saying? Get the hell out of here, cookies. Not a sweet situation. This is real. Anyway, man, I was sick, man. I was sick. I didn't even see that. I mean, it's crazy. It's like, I see the first year come. Good God, I clearly missed that one. Next thing you know, it's like they was popping up like Mario Ducks or something like that. And the sucker hit me, you know what I'm saying? That should have made me mad, bro. But the good thing is your boy RDR is alive, obviously. Otherwise, you'll be freaking out right now talking to a ghost doing a mukbang. It just was some bull, man. I mean, but what can you do? I got some grease. Lip balm action. I mean, what can you do whenever life hits you like that? Everything going to good. And I have to sit back, readjust, and shake it off, you know what I mean? Maybe it was a sign from God, you know, chin check me to slow down, you know what I mean? But then again, it just, to me, it was a messed up situation. Well, I'm just thankful to see another day, to be honest. Cars are replaceable. Lives ain't. You only get one of them. You know what I mean? Other than that, but it's so crazy, man. I'm expecting this is going to be a great week. Birthday coming up and everything. I know a lot of my subscribers are like, damn, man, you a Cowboys fan, dog? All that Cowboys gear? You damn skippy. Refreshing. Besides the Dallas Cowboys and you guys and my lovely, beautiful wife, it's the only thing that gives me bliss. You know what I mean? So I appreciate you guys. That macaroni and cheese it's pretty good, man, but I don't know. It seems like the mac and cheese is missing something. I do see a lot of people crave about KFC biscuits and stuff. I mean, I just wish that they would come out with like some honey biscuits or something. You know what I'm saying? Those are like my favorite biscuits to pair with chicken. Let me know at the bottom if you prefer honey biscuits or regular biscuit. Look at the glaze on that bitch. Damn. Perm and shit. Hopefully like at 3 in the morning or 1 in the morning. Watching this. It's something about watching mukbangs like late at night that just be having you like, damn. You know what else is funny that I love? what is this? People always be like, why do black people like chicken so much? Well, don't you? It's like people, they love chicken. Black people, we motherfucking love chicken. You know what I'm saying? And only because it really is a part of the heritage, you know what I'm saying? I mean, I know that the Scots, like the Scots, I think they invented fried chicken, but the only difference is, listen to that sound. Fatality. They invented fried chicken, but the deal was, they didn't put any seasoning on that shit. Can you imagine eating some flavorless ass fried chicken? I know you can, because there's a lot of chicken places that do it. And that just pisses me off, man. Just throw some salt and pepper on that shit and be like, there you go. Thank you for coming. No. Whenever, the West Africans, whenever they learn how to fry chicken with their techniques and stuff, well, pretty much whenever, like, whenever the West Africans came over here through slavery and stuff, they was only given, like, not the really good meats, you know what I'm saying? They were, like, given the parts and then, I guess, like, chickens and stuff. And it was crazy because black women that were slaves and stuff, they got paid to, like, fry chicken and stuff, like, back in them days. And they did it so well with the techniques and all different types of, ways that they season the, the breading and stuff like that. Cooking in, like, the most cast iron skillets and stuff. That's how they were making their money. So it really is a heritage type thing. And it's just been, passed on all the way from generation to generation. That's why it's a lot of people that have homemade chicken places and stuff. Those recipes from going all the way back to the late 1800s, so even further than that. But that's pretty much what it is, man. It's just part of the culture, man. A lot of other people, they take it to the next level. Putting it with watermelon. I mean, watermelon is good. So, from what I heard, watermelon was the fruit of the kings. You know what I'm saying? I never knew anybody that did like watermelon, especially on a hot ass day. I just go to show how people take things and they spit it out of proportion and trying to be fucking funny and stuff. Well, we are who we are. And it is what it is. I ain't gonna lie, man. Fuck that coleslaw. I don't like coleslaw. I mean, just looking at it, I just can't do it, man. Can't do it. It's too much. Let me know if you like KFC's macaroni and cheese. Something missing in that shit, man. Chicken hidden, mashed potatoes and brown gravy. Definitely hidden, boy. That's some good stuff right there. We'll take a couple more bites. I'm coming to the chicken, man. My favorite part is that skin, boy. You can't be in if you don't eat the skin. One more for this macaroni and cheese. The hell out of here. So it's hidden, man. So it's what we call in Texas A1. Refreshing. Oh yeah, again, I forgot. I want to say thank you to all my new subscribers that's here. Tuning in with your boy RDR. Thank you. I love you guys. And you made a great choice subscribing to RDR Food Reviews because this is a family, you know what I mean? And I'm always welcoming new subscribers that are watching this right now. Welcome you to RDR's family, you know what I'm saying? See what these cookies talking about, man. I ain't never had one of these cookies before. What the fuck? Look at this shit. I know this ain't, I don't know if this is, it's not, I don't think it's bit off, but they gave me a half a damn cookie. Say you get like 3 of them for $1. Let's see if this one's better. Alright, well this is more respectable. Let's see what this cookie's talking about. Nice and soft. Very chocolatey, man. Close enough for jazz. Well, this cookie right here, Bastard must have bit my cookie before he threw it in the bag. He's probably like, is it time he's... I threw my shit in there, bastard. It's all good, though. They probably needed it more than I did. Definitely. So that, everybody, is my KFC mukbang. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you don't like this video, hit that thumbs down button. You know, man, I'm going to love you like I always have. It's your boy RDR. And like I always say, man, food is a gift, so please give thanks. It's your boy RDR, and I'm signing out. God bless y'all. Take care already. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Love you.